Today we're making sesame meatballs. I got the pot of rice going. Let's see if we can get this done before the rice is done. 42 minutes. Think that's enough time? It's probably enough time. We're gonna start off with the green onion. We're gonna need it for the meatball and the garnish. So the green onions are done. We're gonna go 2 pounds of ground beef. We're gonna do about a cup of breadcrumb. Take about half a cup of green onion. You got 2 eggs, 1, 2. We're gonna do about a teaspoon ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, I like to throw in just a little bit of black pepper. And then we've got 1 teaspoon sesame oil. We're gonna throw on the gloves. And while we get these meatballs going, now's a good time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. With our gloved hand, I'm just gonna hand mix this. So we got oven preheating to 400 degrees, greased baking sheet. We've got our meatball mixture. We're gonna make about 1-inch balls. Roll them in our hands. Pop them on the tray. I just made these meatballs. I made about 90 of them for a company Christmas party a few weeks back. At least by the time this video comes out. And they were gone. People loved them. It's a lot of work. But this recipe, you can usually get enough for dinner, depending on how many people are in your house, or a few days of meal prep. These balls are a little bit bigger than 1 inch. Maybe we're doing 1/2, 1.5. So while we wait for that oven to preheat, now's a good time to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time checking me out. I'd like to get passed around the YouTube sphere a little bit more, and anything that you do to interact with this video helps me out immensely. We're gonna put them balls in the oven, 400 degrees, middle rack. And while those cook, we're gonna make our sauce. We go medium-low heat. Trusty old cooktop here. For the sesame sauce, we're gonna do about a cup of hoisin, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. We're gonna chop up 2 large cloves of garlic. Take some of that garlic, put it in the sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, we're gonna bring back that ground ginger, something good to have around the house. A little bit of ground ginger. And I got 1 tablespoon brown sugar. So we're gonna heat this up. Just when that sauce starts to bubble, we're gonna turn down the heat. Actually, we're gonna turn off the heat. I'm just gonna let that sit until our balls are done. Bring it in. So look, those balls, depending on size, take about 13 to 14 minutes to cook at 400 degrees. What I'm gonna do for the last 4 minutes is turn the broiler on high and let them roast in that oven and get maybe like a nice crispiness to them. And so we'll see how it turns out. Looks like our balls are done. We're gonna grab some tongy tongs. Yeah. My dog's been snoring through this whole video. Hey, the rice is done. So, plate, bowl, whatever you got. Give it a scoop, 2 scoop. So we got rice. We're gonna get some balls. Just for the money shot, we have to do it right. Sauce, sauce. Drizzle. I'm gonna go sesame seeds. Green onion. Sesame meatballs, my people. It's a favorite. It's a hit every time. So now you know this is where it's at. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. All right, so our meatballs are done. Well, they're not done. All right, so our meatballs are rolled up. We're gonna wait for that oven to preheat a little bit more. Let's see. Fuck you. Get your shit together, Joseph. Get your shit together. We gotta get it together. Get it together. Get your balls on a tray. I'm not gonna measure. This isn't a ball measuring contest, but we've got 33 or 32 and a half.